Named by Rightmove as one of the UK's top 5 coastal property hotspots, Rottingdean is a vibrant seaside village with a peaceful, enchanting beach and is also home to Skylarks, a brand new development of 3 and 4 bedroom homes. Let's go take a look. Built by renowned developer Brookworth Homes, Skylarks offers a selection of outstanding specification 3 and 4 bedroom houses, bringing luxury living to the East Sussex coast. Every detail of these remarkable residences has been carefully crafted to elevate your standard of living. The kitchens are bright and spacious, providing a comfortable yet entertaining environment for cooking family meals during the week and hosting special guests on the weekends. Each Skylarks house has unique character and comes complete with a generous garage and allocated parking. With feature tiling throughout, every bathroom offers a cosy ambience as you relax in carefully constructed baths and showers, creating a peaceful, at-home retreat. From composite stone marble effect worktops and porcelain floor tiles laid in a classic herringbone pattern to pendant lighting over feature areas, every aspect of these new build houses has been created to complement the contemporary and coastal lifestyle. With the rolling hills, glorious heathland and river valleys of South Downs on your doorstep, Skylarks is perfectly positioned to embrace the beauty of both country and coastal living, all just 4 miles from cosmopolitan Brighton. So if you see yourself living at Skylarks, why not come and view one of our beautiful show homes in person? Hope to see you soon.